guys, it's your girl. I wanted to come on here really quickly and do a quick little book review of Salt, Acid, Fat, and Heat. I picked this up. I've been recommended it for a really long time, and I just thought, okay, it's finally time to pick it up. I went to the last bookstore looking for something else, and boom, I found this. And honestly, I can definitely see why it has all the awards and why everybody recommends it. Really quickly, I want to talk about two books that it's very similar to. One of them being the On Cooking book, which if you've been to culinary school or if you happen to be attending a culinary school, they all have a similar Holy Grail book. This book has your knife skills, it has how to cut things, it has when things are in season, etc., etc. This book also has those things, except this book is $200, this book is $37. Next, it's also very similar in that it has a lot of the things that you would find in the garde mange book, which I thought was very interesting. It talks about the pairings of salads, salad dressings, vinegars, pickling, all of the things that you would learn in the garde mange book, except this book is also $200 and this book is $37. So if you are looking for a book that kind of breaks down how acid, fat, and heat play together to create the dishes that we're all used to and enjoy, I would definitely recommend getting this book because it will help you in your culinary adventure of learning how to consistently produce the same dish better each time. Don't sleep on it. Definitely get the book.